Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Recover all R134A refrigerant using a certified recovery/recycling machine before disconnecting any lines. Handling refrigerant without recovery is illegal and unsafe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts and disable the HVAC clutch. Remove the serpentine belt by releasing tension with a 15 mm wrench on the tensioner, then slide the belt off. Remove the plastic engine cover and intake resonator using a 10 mm socket and 13 mm socket to expose the AC compressor. Label and disconnect electrical connectors and the clutch wire from the compressor before unbolting to keep harness routing correct during reassembly. Place a drain pan, then loosen and remove the 2 or 3 compressor mounting bolts. These are commonly torqued to about 25 ft-pounds at factory and require a breaker bar or ratchet. Carefully remove the refrigerant line fittings after recovery, then cap and plug opened lines immediately to prevent moisture contamination, and remove the old compressor from the vehicle using 2 hands to control its weight. Install the new compressor with new O-rings coated in PAG oil and torque the mounting bolts to 25 ft-pounds. Add the specified oil amount noted for the 2014 Jeep Patriot compressor. Reconnect lines, wiring, and the serpentine belt, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Evacuate the AC system to 29 in HG vacuum for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture and check for leaks. Recharge the system with 24 Ahs of R134A. Run the engine and verify static and running pressures and cold air output across blower settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.